Mark Sugar here at Auto Clearing in Saskatoon, 331 Circle Drive West, and behind me here we have the brand new 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This is the Rubicon edition, so follow me around. We're just going to do a quick walk around on it, okay? So you'll see it right there. It's got the 30, let's start again. Hi there, Mark Sugar here at Auto Clearing at 331 Circle Drive in Saskatoon. It's a beautiful rainy day out today, and right behind me, 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This is the Rubicon trim level. Follow me around here. We're just going to do a quick walk around, okay? Right here you'll see we got the aggressive tires here. We've got a little bit of a lift on there. Maximum off-road performance here. 5-foot bed. We're going to have a look in here. The recovery tow hooks are here. And I don't have the keys for it. It's a 5-inch bed with a tonneau cover on it, okay? And if I don't have the keys on it, how are we going to get in there? Actually, I have the keys in my pocket. This video is going good. Okay, guys, let's actually just jump in here. So you see the vented hood there, and so the Rubicon is the top trim level. These come off, this comes off, so it's going to be open air. Also, the doors come off here. We have so many accessories for this Jeep Gladiator. I keep wanting to call it a Wrangler. It's like a Wrangler truck, but this is the all-new 2020 Jeep Gladiator. So jump inside here. All right. You'll see this one has 19 kilometers right here. Take a peek at that. And so these are all customizable here. I'll just take the camera here. I just want to show you a couple things on here. So these are customizable. So your compass, your temperature, and the screen, there's lots going on here. So speedometer, vehicle info with your battery info, your off-road pages, driver assist, fuel economy, and so on and so on. So a lot of customizable stuff there with automatic stop start. Take a look at all the features. 4x4 legendary technology, and if maybe you want to add some light bars or something like that, no shortage of media outputs there. Automatic windows up and down, heated seats, heated steering, all your modern convenient features. Automatic stop start. So this has Wi-Fi, 8.4-inch screen. Check out this navigation here. Just press there and you use your two fingers like this, go like that, see what's ahead of you. We're in Saskatoon here, so there's a good look at Saskatoon. Satellite radio, and what else we want to show you? Travel link here. Let's see who has the cheapest price in Saskatoon on gas. $1.05. So, or if we want to see who has the closest, so travel link, you get these services free for 5 years. A lot of this stuff's already on your phone. Weather map, so if you're traveling on snow, ice, or rain, it'll show you all that. Sports, movie listings, all that good stuff. And also there's an app on your phone to remote start it, check your tire pressure, all that stuff. And this is the off-road pages here, so we'll have a look at that. Taking first time loading up here. All right, off-road pages, may be lost but never stuck. And here you're gonna have a lot of fun with your accessory gauges. Keep an eye on that, and your pitch and roll. So it'll show you the degrees right there. So if you're over bumpy terrain, maybe you could see how far you can go before you're tipping over. Trail cam, and so we could see on the front, we could see on the back, and actually you press this button, clean camera, it's gonna wash it off there for you in case you're on some muddy roads, right? So how do you like that? That is just a quick look at some of the features and the off-road capability of the 2020 Jeep Jeep Gladiator Rubicon Edition. Okay guys, anything more, leave it in the comments. MarkSugarDrives.com. Talk to you soon.